Mixture word problems. We're going to use a table set up like this. Notice the plus signs adding down in the first and last column only, not the middle. And then the multiplication sign, so we multiply across. It says 1 ounce of Indonesian cinnamon, which costs $3 per ounce, was mixed with 2 ounces of Thai cinnamon, which costs $9 per ounce. Find the cost per ounce of the mixture. So we have 1 ounce of Indonesian, and the cost is 3. And then 2 ounces of Thai, the cost is 9. And then we're looking for the cost of the mixture. Now we can just fill in the table. 1 plus 2 is 3. Multiply across. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 9 is 18. Now for this corner one here, that's where we're going to put our equation. Add down. 3 plus 18 is 21 equals, then multiply across. 3 times x is 3x. You now have your equation to solve. So 21 equals 3x, divided by 3, 7 equals x. And the question is, find the cost per unit of the mixture, which is right here. So $7 per ounce will be your answer. For this next example, it says how many kilograms of bleached flour, which cost $8 per kilogram. So we don't know how much bleached flour. We know it cost 8. Must be mixed with 3 kilograms of unbleached flour. So 3 of unbleached, which cost $12 per kilogram, to make baking flour, which cost $11 per kilogram. Now we can just add and multiply to finish. So we add down, get x plus 3, multiply across, 8x. 3 times 12 is 36. Now we're going to add down, equals, multiply across. Remember, the two-term expression here needs to be put in parentheses so that we can remember to distribute. And again, in that corner there, you've got your equation to solve. 8x plus 36 equals 11 times x plus 3. Let's start by distributing. 11x plus 33. Subtract 8x from each side. 36 equals 3x plus 33. Subtract 33. So 3 equals 3x. Divide by 3. X equals 1. And the question is, how much bleached flour do we need? And right here is the bleached flour, which is x. So again, x is your answer, 1 kilogram. Alright, how many kilograms of copper, which costs $16 per pound, must be added to 5 pounds of tin, which costs $24 per pound, to make an alloy that costs $21 per pound? So we have how many kilograms of copper. So there's your x, which costs $16 per pound, will be added to 5 pounds of tin, which costs $24 per pound, to make an alloy that costs $21 a pound. Alright, that's all we need to get from the word problem right now. Now we can just add down and multiply across. 16 times x is 16x. 5 times 24 is 120. And then add down, you get x plus 5. Now for the corner, we add down and multiply across. 16x plus 120 equals 21 times x plus 5. Remember, add down, multiply across. Now we can take that equation and solve it. 16x plus 120 equals 21 times x plus 5. So 16x plus 120 equals 21x plus 105. And you subtract 16x. 120 equals 5x plus 105. Then we subtract 105. So 15 equals 5x. 5 by 5. 3 equals x. We're looking for the amount of copper, which is x. So x is again your answer. Okay, mixed nuts, which cost $19. So there's the cost of the mixture. Is made by combining walnuts, which cost $14 per kilogram, with peanuts, which cost $21 per kilogram. Find the number of peanuts and walnuts needed to make 7 grams of mixed nuts. So we know we have 7 grams of the mixture. Now we have a sum, and we know 2 numbers are added together to get that sum, but there's more than one possibility that would work there. So what we're going to do is make one of them x. Doesn't matter which one, I usually choose the top one. And then to find the other one, let's work backwards. When we have an addition problem with a missing number, we know we can subtract to find the missing number. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our sum, which is 7, subtract one of the numbers being added, x, and that'll tell us the other number being added. Now we can multiply across to get these other boxes. 14 times x is 14x. And then multiply across here. Remember, 7 minus x is a group. It needs to be grouped together in parentheses. Then we can add down. 14x plus 21 times 7 minus x equals 133. Okay, now we can solve our equation. So 14x plus 21 times 7 minus x equals 133. Let's start by distributing. 21 times 7 is 147 minus 21x. Then you combine your like terms. Negative 7x plus 147 equals 133. Subtract 147. Negative 7x equals negative 14. Divided by negative 7x equals 2. Okay, now let's make sure we answer the question. It says find the number of peanuts and walnuts. Walnuts is easy because it's just x. And x is 2. So walnuts would be 2 kilograms. Peanuts isn't that hard either. It's just one extra step. Peanuts says 7 minus x. So if we take 7 minus 2, that would be 5 kilograms. And if you add 2 and 5 together, notice you do get 7, which is the total amount.